You having a talk with your little brother? You having a conversation there, the two of you? Yeah. You say it, baby. Say it. You're trying to get out, aren't you? Pretty soon you will be able to. Wow. Yes, Mom, I did okay. See, he's trying to... Oh, there he goes. Oh, boy. We've got to build... No, honey. Yeah. Papa, I think you should stay in there. What do you think? That's the middle one. It's obviously able to get out. We're going to have to build a whelping box or something around it. Because I don't want them falling out. They will not be able to get back in. Well, this is the most active I can find them right now. But they're just talking, but they sleep a lot. All of them. Here, Fatty doesn't do anything over there. Woo! 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 Right. Oh, honey. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the kisses. So cute. Hey, you want some loving too? Okay. You're just bulldozing over your little brother, Fatty. Look at the roly-poly. The little roly-polies. You're like little... And he's just going straight off. Yeah. He's just going straight out. Are you trying to open your eyes? That's what it is. He's squinting out of his eyes. Open up your eyes. Aspen, come here.